Ollie, can you say your prayers? Ollie, say your prayers.
Good boy.
Is that good?
Again.
All right. Ollie, say your prayers. Ollie, you get a treat if you say your prayers. Ollie, calm down. Olaf, say your prayers. All right. Ollie, say your prayers. Say your prayers. You would flip over better if you said your prayers. Ollie, can you say your prayers? You say your prayers? Say your prayers. Good boy.
Yum, 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 yum.
Can you say your prayers again? Ollie, say your prayers. Good boy.
He said clap, clap, clap.